Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Dee. I am a Hello Love fanatic and I'm really excited today because today is our week, I think 7th launch of our 2024 spring collection. I had to remember what collection we were on. So I have been with this company since July of 2023. I am absolutely in love with press-on nails. This is the only thing that I wear is press-on nails. I'm saving a whole bunch of money, all that jazz. If you don't know what Hello Love is, it is a luxury press-on nail. Our nails are different because every package that comes in these nails, they're going to be sectioned off so you don't have to dig through them. They are going to be curved to be able to fit your nail. They come in 24 different sizes, or there's 24 different nails in here, a variety of different sizes that will fit wider nails, narrow nails, all that stuff. But that's that. So I'm going to take you through what our launch is. This one is really pretty. It is called XOXO and it is a really pretty pearly pink. So you can see here, this is what it looks like. I will try to put a video up here so that you guys can see it because I know the glare is a little bit much on from my camera or from my lighting. But this is going to be a little bit of a translucent nail, but it's not, you're not going to be able to see through it, but it kind of has that translucent vibe to it. It's going to be perfect. This is going to be really pretty by itself. This definitely can be an all-in-one manicure, or you can go ahead and mix it with something else. I want to show you guys real quick what is in every single package that you get with Hello Love. So when you purchase this, this is going to retail for $15 and it's going to have everything that you need to do a full set of nails. So they're going to come like this, and this was what I was talking about, the sectioning. A lot of other brands will have all the nails kind of together and you have to decipher, and I don't know about you guys, I can never see the numbers on the back of the nail, ever. So one thing that's really good about this is they're all sectioned off. With each of your order, you're going to get a postcard, and on the postcard, it's going to tell you what the numbers are so that you can reference that, write that down, and you can reference it for future use in case you want to do it again. So that way it saves you time on the next one, so you're not fiddling through trying to size them again. You know exactly what numbers are going to work for you, and you know exactly where they're at kind of place. So that's a big time saver and a big on frustration, because sometimes it's like, wait a minute, was I a 1 or a 2 here? And then you're like second guessing yourself. This way you can kind of write it down and keep it intact. So they're going to be in these 2 sections, and with each of the different nails, there's going to be this bottom section where your accessories are. These are the tools that you're going to need in order to do your manicure. So with each of the packages, you're going to get an emery board. This pink one is good for buffing your nail, your real nail. You always want to buff it before you actually apply the press-ons. That's going to help with longevity. The other side is the blue. You never want to use this side on your actual natural nail because it is very gruff. You're going to use this you're going to use this on the press-on nail, and it's going to, you know, if you want to shape it or whatever, but use this one for the press-on nail. It's also going to come with an orange stick. This is going to be really good. It has this side right here where you can push back your cuticles to make sure your cuticles are pushed back. And then it has this pointy side, which is going to help with removal, kind of going up and under when you're ready to remove them. And then lastly, every package is going to have the glue stick. So this glue stick is our strongest bond. So I always recommend this glue stick, this type of glue, if you are looking for longevity. So if you're looking for that 2 weeks wear, this is the glue for you. If you're like, you know what, I don't know if I want 2 weeks, we have other options in the shop. We have nail stickers, so those last about 3 to 5 days. And then we have brush on glue that lasts about a week. So I always hesitate for people, if you're not sure that you want to have the longevity, I would hesitate using this, because if you try to take this off like a week or under, it is going to be a bear to take off. If you wait and take it off like a week or more, then it's going to be a lot easier to get off and you're going to be a lot less frustrated. So if you know out of the gate that you do not want to get that 2-week wear, then either look at our nail stickers or our brush on glue. So that will come, but this one, this is the one that will come in the package. So that is with every single nail, you're going to get these tools to do it. The only additional thing that I recommend is I do recommend that you have rubbing alcohol. And the reason for that is rubbing alcohol is going to kind of cleanse the nail, make sure that there's no oils on your fingers or your nails. And I usually take either a cotton wad or like a lint-free cloth, and I just wipe my nails off really, really quickly before I apply the glue. And that way I just make sure that there's no other residue. You know, when you touch your face, it's got makeup on it. There's a variety of different things that we touch throughout the day that we don't realize. So having rubbing alcohol on hand, or even having those little, alcohol swipe things for if you're diabetic or you're doing injections, you have those little throwaway things. Those are awesome as well. The last thing that I would recommend is our nail dehydrator. So our nail dehydrator is really, really for those people that want to get that strong bond. Anytime you go to the nail salon, whether you're getting gel nails, dip nails, acrylics, or whatever, they are always going to use a nail dehydrator. And what that does is it soaks up any moisture on your natural nail, and it's going to help that bond last longer. That glue on your natural nail is going to last longer because it's going to soak up any hydration, any moisture, all that stuff. So that's the only other thing that I would recommend. You don't have to have that, but if you are looking for the longevity, I definitely would recommend that. So some really cute options that I think would go really, really well with is this one right here. Kind of that like pastel-y. This is a really pretty like robin's egg kind of blue. And I thought that would be a really, really cute one. The other thing I want to note is the different sheens. So the 4 wings is going to be our normal shiny sheen. You can see here it's shiny, but when you compare it to XOXO, it is going to be like, you could see it's almost that glazed donut. So there is a difference with the finish, but I kind of like that because to me, this is, you can use it as an accent nail. So that would be a cute combination. The other one that I thought was kind of cute is Irish, we get along, or yeah, they get along with this color. It's a little bit St. Patrick's Day, but not really. I feel like it reminds me of a flower, basically. This one's really, really cool. You can't see it here on the camera, but this one has like very, very little green flecks of glitter in it. So it's a really interesting nail. Here, it's just kind of picking up and it almost looks like glazed donut-y, but it's got some glitter in it. It's really, really pretty. The other thing that I thought might be cool, because they're kind of similar finishes, is Girl on Fire in this one. So Girl on Fire is a very translucent nail. You can kind of see a little bit under it. I wore it, I absolutely loved it. I got so many comments in it for it, and it's one of those nails that you don't really appreciate how pretty it looks until you see it in person. Like it's just, you have to see it in person to really truly grasp how cool and unique this nail is. But if you see here, there's a little bit of that pink that's picked up, and it's almost very similar to this. So I just thought that might be a really, really cool, just different mani. And then last but not least, this one right here. This is Madame Justice. This is one of our like standard nails that we've had for a really, really long time. But if you're wanting something a little bit more neutral, I thought this one would be really, really pretty. And I know I keep saying really, really pretty and really, really cute. I don't know what else descriptive words to use, but I think it's cute. Like, is it not cute? I think it's cute. So I was looking through my nail collection. I think this nail can go with so many different nails, but as I mentioned before, you can definitely just wear it by yourself. So pretty. Just really, it's like delicate. It's a very delicate kind of pink, but it's almost got that translucent look to it, and it's got that glazed donut. So it's definitely on trend. It's perfect for spring, but it can definitely transcend obviously to summer as well. It's so pretty. But that is this week's launch. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Like I said, I will follow me on Instagram because I'm sure I'll have some other like mixed mani stuff mixing this. I'm still rocking this one from last week. This is Fling the Ring. This is in our Squoffin, which is, I need to file them down because they're starting to get rounded. They're a lot more straight at the edges, but this is, I've been wearing these for 7 days now, but this is the Squoffin one. And then we also have this one in short as well. So if you're like loving the milky white trend and the gold kind of vein running through, and this vein is slightly raised, so it does have a little bit of a like 3D effect. So it's not like a printed gold, if that makes any sense. You know how sometimes things are printed and it's like, okay. It looks pretty on camera, but when you get in person, it's like, okay, it looks cheap. This does not look cheap. This is an actual raised gold vein coming through here. So when you see them in person, they look like that I've gotten them done. They are just so pretty. But we also have these in the short version as well. So if you're looking at this going, this is really pretty, but I don't like the shape, check it out in the short one. So that is last week's launch. This is this week's launch. I will leave my website down below. I will leave my Gmail down below, and make sure you follow me on Instagram because I'm much more active there on like showing up daily than I am on YouTube. Let me know if you have any questions. Hopefully you enjoyed the video and hopefully you're excited about this launch. Until next time, bye.